Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in the Dollar Tree and you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So Fall Floral is here and super cute sign they came up with, Harvest. I am really loving the berries, especially the dark blue. Those are really, really pretty. So the fern branches above are very glittery, and then their cotton is back. So it looks like it comes in little sprigs with a bit of pine cone or like this. Now the ones with the pine cones look a lot better. This looks like someone took a couple of pom-poms and glued them together. I don't love that the backs are plastic, but if you're doing a big arrangement and you need a lot, you could definitely get away with sneaking some in. I also have some really pretty leaves. Oh, I really like these. That's probably spring. And it looks like the pumpkin picks are back and they come in a couple different oranges. So this one's more like a copper, and then the brighter orange. And then they've got lots of that dark purple and plenty of the traditional red and orange and yellow. The berries are back. So it looks like this year, this one's got a lot of like gold to it. That's pretty cool. And then more of a traditional, lots of orange. And these that kind of look marbled. And I always think that their faux feather picks are really cool. And those come in a few different colors. They also have plenty of sunflowers. And then these with the little gourds in them. And I think these are really cool in the green. They have the faux wheat in the plastic. I love these little miniature sunflowers. And then over here, I wanted to show you guys the most gorgeous blue hydrangea. That is a beautiful color they chose to do. So this store has quite a bit of their plastic containers out. I love that they did a navy blue. They also did gray, turquoise, and pink. I am looking for a few things for my boys' room, so I'm gonna take a look at the navy version. We've got the pictures up top, and the 2-count buckets. Those are great for organizing. They have the shoe boxes, and the lids are clear. This is an excellent wastebasket, actually, really good size. And these, great for upper closet organizing. You have a few more down here. The sandwich lock top, and this one is much deeper. That could be like a bento box. You have the mini trash cans, and then these that are smaller, but they do have that design, so stuff could potentially fall through. These with the locker look to them. This is kind of what I'm looking for. I wonder if that design on the side would be troublesome, but it does come in a 2-pack. And then they have the oval bucket style. Down below they have all the hampers. So this little round always has decor on it, and I just wanted to kind of do a quick look over with you guys. That's a really cute glass. Hello, gorgeous. Some puzzle pieces with some Bible verses. Those are really nice. It looks like they've got the yellow, green, the blue, and the purple. So over here they have a few new crosses with some corrugated metal behind them. They're wood on little stands, really small. And then a few signs I haven't seen, the Gather, and then Welcome to the Jungle. And then a couple of glass bottles. They had these in silver a couple years back. I think these are great for DIYs, especially at Halloween. So I am seeing a few new things over here as well I wanted to share with you guys. First up, these mittens. Blue and white gingham. I love it. I don't know if these have been out maybe for Father's Day. Looks like they have a few tea towel style signs as well. I'm guessing this was all Father's Day, but I wasn't out shopping then. They also have some fun red truck pot holders. Starting early, you guys. And those are sold in a pair. You guys can see way up there, there is a pot holder with a rooster on it trimmed out in the red. And then coming down here, they have the oven mitts. So this one is the one that is trimmed out in like a navy blue. And then they've got this one trimmed out in the red. So there's definitely two prints. They've also got this one in the pot holders. You get two. And some towels. So I'm seeing it in both versions. Those are really cute. And below they also have a few new placemats. I don't think I've ever seen this one. It's so pretty in the navy blue. And then they've got the Rise and Shine. And I was looking to see if they had the other print, and I'm not seeing it. But they do have a few in the coffee print that I haven't seen. So I haven't seen this one in coffee time, but I've seen these in the last couple years in the turquoise. Over here they have the check in red, which is really cute. Only one of the mitt. They also have the pot holders in pairs, and then one of the dish towels and some tea towels that are so adorable. So they've got this one, let your true colors shine through. There's polka dots on the back. And this one, I love. The red bicycle, you are my sunshine. And that one has sunflowers. I might have to pick that up. And then this one, you are my sunshine. And it's got some brown and yellow flowers on the back. And then they have a few in the bee theme. I've seen this one in the last couple of years or so. And I think I've seen this one with the honey pot on it as well. These are so cute. Lots of the new dish towels in All My Kids Have Paws, Live Your Dream. Oh, that one's different too. Life is better with a furry companion. Love starts with a wet nose and ends with a tail. That one's really cute. They also have a few of the new power clips in the puppies. Those are cute. I haven't seen those before. And this butter dish, which is nice and small. I actually might pick one of these up for my own. They have a couple of new coasters. You Are My Sunshine and Life is a Journey. They have a few new mugs that I'm spotting and more of that pet theme. Check Me Out, this one with the paw prints, and then I wonder if there's ever been a house with both. I'm sure there has been plenty. And then you've got these, and I'm guessing this might have been like Mother's Day. Enjoy the Ride, that's really cute. And then Bloom Where You're Planted. I'm so happy. I've been looking for these at a few Dollar Trees and I haven't been able to find them. So I am gonna use them in my bathroom for peroxide and alcohol. And I wanted the ones with the stoppers, so I'm gonna get them in clear, but they also come in green, turquoise, and red. So they have some new dishes I just came across, and they definitely have that Pioneer Woman look. Now this looks ceramic, but it is plastic. So the bowls are plastic for the turquoise, but the plates are ceramic. And then they have this version with the floral, lots of bright colors. So the plate has some floral, and they are plastic as well as the bowls. They have the mitts and the pot holders and the dish towels, and also the dish drying mat. So they definitely have some graduation leftovers, and these are super cute. You can write your own message with a dry erase. I'm guessing this was Father's Day. It's like a little tool set to go. And then seeing more of the mugs in the pet theme. My kids have paws, and I'm only talking to my cat today. They have some new lashes by Lash Bar, I think. Looks like there's a few different versions, and they're all color coded. My daughter loves to get these and play around. I really like these. these are really long. A few things I'm spotting that look new. I think I've tried these before. They're the Breezy and Jasmine. They have some small unstoppables, so that's just one load worth in the box. And I had a question after my last haul video about the stain remover that I buy here and I swear by, and it's this one. It's called Soil Love in the green bottle. You guys, it's amazing. Just trust me on that one. So this store's gotten in the new broom attachments. So you can basically come up with your own situation, or maybe a couple situations. They've got two handles in a black and a white, and then a few different attachments. So this one is kind of like a push broom, and then they have a pretty much basic kitchen broom attachment. And then they've got this thing that's kind of like a Swiffer, and it does have Velcro on this side. So I'm guessing, and I wanted to see, so this just pivots this way. They have a few of the microfiber mop pads. So I've got this one and this one that says heavy duty. This one says it's light duty. And then they have the traditional mop heads and some over the door hooks for some different mops and brooms and stuff. And down here they even have this one. And lastly, I think tonight we'll look at the craft section. We'll definitely come back soon for more. Just wanted to give you guys kind of a general look at the craft section in this store. So this is one of the newer stores that I shared in my last like Dollar Tree grand openings. Those are really pretty. They also have some stencils in the alphabet, some rub-on transfers in gold. Let me show you guys this one. It's really pretty. All dish theme. And some cactus, some more stencils. They have some alphabet. And they have a ton of the wood products. So the store does stickers all together clustered, and then all of their wood items, and they have no lack for them, that's for sure. Lots of arrows and a couple of chalkboards, the flower cutouts. They even have a star and a hanging cross. Super cute unicorn. Now this one is like a press board. They also have the press board in the butterfly, and then a dry erase board. That's cute. I love shapes like this. Some frames, but down here is where I think all the gold is. These little drawers are great. They also have some little boxes, the pineapple, little castle, and apple. These are going to be great for fall. The little crates. If the cross is down below. And these little trays are super cute. So they've got this one and then this one with the raised handle. It also comes in the heart version and a star version. And then I'm not quite sure. I think this is just like a little wooden trinket box. And then they've got this one too. Over here they've got a ton of painting supplies. What definitely sticks out to me are their sets of brushes. So affordable for just $1. They have some of the chalk writers. I don't think I've ever seen these in my store, so that's fun. They have some glue. That's just called craft glue. And this one's the wood glue. They have some spray adhesive. These little stencils. Stencil wheels, and it looks like there's probably a few different versions. And then some boxes. You can paint some animals. This is the perfect little project area if you've got a kiddo for the weekend. Oh, that rose is really pretty. They've also got a unicorn. So they've always had the tubes of paint, but now they're actually putting out the little pots. So that is fun, and some larger ones it looks like. This one is flesh tone. That is a big bottle. Let me see. It says it's washable. Not seeing how many ounces it is, but it's huge. Got all the canvases, and if you guys saw my cupcakes at Valentine's Day, I used these as the sprinkles on top. They also have a ton of yarn at this store, and I don't know what I'd do with the orange, but it'd be perfect for fall. Down here they have even more in all different colors, and this one in that real fun fuzzy texture, a few different pinks and white and turquoise. Over here they have some foam letters and the wooden dowels, some fun little wooden cubes. Oh, these are really nice too for crafting, those little clamps. These could be handy for sewing. They have the finger protectors, the little scoring tool sets, the magnets, glue and residue eraser. Over here, a metallic marker. That's like a rose gold. And it also comes in the blue. Some fun little chalkboards. So these are just little clothespins. Comes in 2 different kinds. And lots of beads. The store, I think, has more beads than I've ever seen. These are gorgeous, and you get so much. I'm used to the smaller packages like this. They also have some mini glass containers. So cute. Then this that looks like a pill sorter to me, because I'm an old lady. Some little tins and some more storage. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.